Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with my new video in which I will introduce different ways to earn money online with different ads with different sites through different websites. Okay, first of all, I will introduce 35 best ways to earn money. Okay, first of all, top 10 quick ways to making money online. Okay, first one is the review website. Give feedback on people's website to improve their usability. The second one is do voice over work. Lend your narration talents to commercialize trailers and audiobooks. Okay, third one is complete online survey. Make extra cash by sharing your opinions on popular survey site. Okay, the next one is try mystery shopping. Get paid to review businesses and share your experience at a customer. Then test games and software provide developers with insight into the software user experience. The sixth one is shell stock photos and footage, ideal for photographers and videographers looking for a way to make passive income. Okay, the seventh one is sell second-hand items, declutter your home and sell used items like clothes, appliances, and vehicles. The eighth, at the eighth Sell school notes popular among students who want to maintain good grades while making money on the side. Okay, the nine one is carry out small jobs, excellent for people with limited technical skills and a few hours for free time. Okay, monetize art and design, sell products bearing your designs or do art commissions. Okay, these are the 10 quick ways of making money online. By these methods, you can earn too much quickly and lot of money in few time. Okay, first one I will elaborate what is the test website and give feedback. Okay, if you have a keen eye for website design and development, consider becoming a website tester. It's a great way to make money quickly and immerse yourself in the web development industry. Okay, to test website, you must have critical and logical thinking skill, excellent communication abilities, and knowledge of website functionality and design. These qualities can improve your job prospects and test reporting quality. Payments are usually project based and the rates differ based on the testing methods and the platform's policy. For example, user testing offer 4 to $120 per test. Website tester who participate in live interviews with clients make more money. Okay, it was the total introduction about the test website and give feedback. Okay, here is the link available, which when you click here, you can redirect to where is the testing app, user testing. Okay, here are a few other marketplaces where people can make money online by website testing project. Our testers, a crowdsourced testing service of focusing on website, mobile apps, and game. Okay, user brain, an online tool offering user experience testing for website and digital product prototypes. Test builds user experiences test of digital products including commerce, stores, mobile apps, and fitness tracker. User analytics. In addition to testing website and apps, it offers projects focusing on reviewing video commercials. Again, the last one is try my UI. Provide impression testing for website and mobile app recorded videos and surveys based on feedback. Okay, this was the totally method by using different techniques. By using this method you can give feedback and test our website, which will give you the money in dollars, in pounds, 4 to $120 per test. Okay guys, this was our today's video in which I give you the method to earn money by testing websites. I hope you will really like it. Stay blessed. Thank you.